Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a creature that looks simple at first glance, but is actually one of the most shocking and unusual wonders of nature. This animal is called Axolotl, and what makes it special will definitely surprise you. The first and most shocking fact is that the axolotl can fully regenerate its body parts. If it loses a leg, it grows a new one. If its tail is damaged, it fully restores it. It can even regenerate skin, muscles, and in some cases, parts of its spinal cord and nervous system. This ability is extremely rare in the animal kingdom. Another strange fact is that the axolotl never fully matures. It stays in a permanent juvenile form throughout its life and does not go through the full transformation into a land-dwelling salamander. It looks like development is paused, yet it still lives, eats, and reproduces normally. The most fascinating part is this. Unlike many animals that experience pain and stress when injured, the axolotl's body immediately switches into a repair mode. Instead of focusing on damage, it starts rebuilding itself almost instantly, as if it has a built-in self-healing system. Scientists are deeply interested in this creature because its regeneration ability may hold important clues for human medicine. In the future, understanding this mechanism could potentially help with tissue and organ repair in humans. However, there is also a sad side. Axolotls are nearly extinct in the wild. They used to be widespread in lakes of Mexico, but now their population has drastically decreased due to water pollution, habitat loss, and invasive species. Today, most axolotls live in laboratories or are bred in captivity. Another interesting fact is that axolotls come in different colors, including black, brown, white, albino, pink, and golden forms. The pink and white ones are especially popular in aquariums. And finally, the most shocking thought. If the axolotl went through normal salamander development, it could become a completely different land animal. But instead, it remains in its aquatic form throughout its life, as if it chose the water world as its permanent home. This creature is both a scientific mystery and one of nature's most extraordinary living wonders.